Hello everyone. I had a request to talk about relative volume. So here I'm going to show a Tesla chart. I've got 20 days of 30-minute bars with pre and post market turned on. So I'd like to talk about three different things: volume, average volume, and then we'll get to the subject, relative volume. So in this window, this lower study shows volume bars. And you can just kind of see by inspection, like we have some lower volume days and some higher volume days. And then let's talk about average volume. So we'll look at this blue line or this white line. They both calculate an average volume. And what you end up with is the sawtooth pattern, which is like an average volume profile. So every single day you can kind of expect the volume to build in this kind of manner on Tesla. Now let's jump to the third subject, which is relative volume. So if you remember back to these bars here, they're kind of short, and which is a low volume day. And when you compare the average volume to the day's current volume, you can see there's a gap. So this would be a low relative volume day. And if you go to just to the next day over, you can see how much more volume there is in these early bars compared to this day here. And so you can see that these green ones, these bars are much higher than the average. So this is a higher relative volume day. And it can help you to identify stocks that are in play, which doesn't necessarily mean anything. So this day here was a high relative volume day, and it went pretty well. And the next day was also a high relative volume day, but it didn't really go very much. It just kind of chopped around. So just because you have a high relative volume day doesn't really mean much one way or the other. You'd have to combine it with your other metrics and indicators. But relative volume is a way to look at volume and to help you determine what stocks are in play for the day. If this was helpful to you, put a comment down below, and maybe we can do another quick video for some other topic. Thanks.